Look at it. It's so crunchy and yummy and delicious. Thank you. Hideki Chin is a typical snack that we Nigerians or Africa, West Africa, we love these snacks. Okay, it's very easy to make. Okay, we have all our ingredients here. We're gonna use a bowl, then our flour, sugar, milk. You can use all milk of evaporated milk. We have two eggs, two stick of butter, nutmeg, then baking soda or baking powder, whichever one. Okay. First of all, we're gonna sieve our flour. All right. Where's the cup? I'm gonna put it. Then you will sieve it. Okay. You will sieve or strain, whatever they call it. Okay. Just check it. We're gonna be using about maybe 5 or 6 cup of all-purpose this all-purpose flour. Okay.
That's two, 3, 4, and 5.
Let's add more to it. 5. The more the better.
6 or 7.
6, 7. How many is that?
6.
6 or 5? 6.
6.
Okay, 6. Okay.
Now 7, 8.
8, 9, 10. Let's make it 10. Okay, I want a lot because my son is at home. He loves chin chin. One more. Okay. Next step, we're gonna go in with the nutmeg.
Shred the nutmeg and just want to add the whole nut.
This gives it a flavor. You can skip nutmeg if you want to. It's optional. I think there's enough.
So how much?
Next, we're gonna put you're blocking me. About a teaspoon, let's say teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. So we're just gonna mix it together. Next, we're gonna I'm gonna melt the butter and I'll add my egg. Let's do the wet ingredient, okay? All right, guys, I have my melted butter, egg, uh,
Condensed
milk,
sugar.
milk and sugar all together. I just mix them together and I'm gonna pour it inside my dry ingredient, which is flour and nutmeg and baking soda.
Mhm.
Just little at a time. Let's see. Just gonna go till it form a dough. Just gonna mix it. Let's add the rest to it. Dough is ready. Now it's time to transfer it on a work surface. I've already cleaned the surface of the counter. I'm just gonna put some flour. Just gonna cut it like into four. Divide it so that it will be easy for us to work with. So that's too big. Where's the roller? Get the roller. We're just gonna roll it out. We will be doing our part. I'll be doing my part also. You have to roll it down. While this is rolling, I've already put my oil inside a pot to allow it to heat up so that we can fry it. Use the pizza cutter. Where's the pizza cutter video? Okay, you can use a pizza cutter or a knife, whichever way, but I prefer the pizza cutter. All right, we cut the dough to these sizes. Now it's time to fry inside the hot oil. Thank you, Abigail, for helping out. Not enough. Then you can make sure you lower your heat. Just pour it inside little by little. Then you stir it together. Allow it to cook until it is golden brown. All right, guys, it's ready. You just have to take it out on a paper towel. Just gonna go ahead and continue with the rest part of the chin. This one is ready. Just take it out and continue the same process. Repeat all over again till they are all ready. All right, we are finally done with our chin chin. Look at it. Look at it. It's so crunchy and yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching. We appreciate every one of you, and we'll see you in the next one. You can enjoy this thing with any soft drink of your choice, okay? With soda, Coke, Fanta, Sprite, whatever soft drink of your choice. You can enjoy it with it. So good. Allow it to cool down and store it into any container of your choice, okay? All right.
Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Bye.